Hi, my name is Annabelle Clausen. I am an author of the mental health for the digital generation blog at HealthyPlace. Let's talk about coping skills. I think that everyone needs to have emotional health coping skills, whether or not you have a mental illness. It's really important to know how to deal with your emotions in a healthy way. I think all of us are pretty good at developing unhealthy coping skills. I know I am. I often turn to like food or watching TV for several hours at a time or just sleeping all day. Um, a lot of coping skills, and while these things can be good in small doses to help us feel better, really when you do them for a long time, they leave you feeling empty. And a way for me to identify that a coping skill is unhealthy for me is how I feel after. Do I feel empty, and do I feel like I need more of that thing to feel better? If I've already watched 2 hours of my favorite TV show, is another hour really going to make me feel better, or is it just going to keep me from facing my feelings longer? And I think it's the latter one. As I've learned healthy coping skills like writing down my thoughts, talking back to my negative thinking, reaching out to a friend or family member, meditation, these coping skills help me feel fulfilled, and I also don't feel as numb after. I don't feel like I need to meditate for 3 hours. I really only need to meditate for about 10 minutes before I start feeling more connected to myself. Now, these things aren't quick switches. As we know, the coping skills they just help you cope. They don't completely solve your problems. But I do know that as we try to develop healthy coping skills, we can become more emotionally resilient, which all of us could benefit from. If you'd like to read more, check out my blog post on HealthyPlace.